Hey folks, so a little while back I created a video about a 62-year-old individual who had not filed tax returns in 10 years. In that video I shared some candid insights into what I would do in such a situation. Link to that video at the upper right hand corner of your screen. And on that video, Miss Debbie Brigham 3702 made the following comment. I know I'm in trouble for not filing the past 2 years, but maybe not in a lot of trouble. So there's no question mark there in that statement, Debbie, but it sounds like you might be kind of asking for my opinion on how much trouble you're in. Well, Debbie, I don't know you. I don't know the specifics of your situation, but let's just say this. Well, first, let's make this assumption. I'm assuming, Debbie, that you not filing the past 2 years wasn't part of some criminal master plan because you made millions of dollars in the past 2 years and you didn't want to pay taxes on it, and so you didn't report this income on your tax return. You chose not to file in an attempt to evade taxes. I'm assuming that's not the case here, Debbie. I'm assuming that what happened here is a much more typical story that we hear at Choice Tax Relief about folks who've gotten behind on filing their taxes. It's, hey, you know, I was completely intending to file my taxes, but XYZ happened. But my car broke down the week of April 15th and I didn't get around to it. But I was waiting for a tax form that came the day before the extended deadline. I was going to get to it, but just, you know, something happened and it didn't happen, right? Life got in the way. That's the typical thing that we hear. We also hear instances of, you know, this is a little more rare, but, you know, kind of life-altering events, right? Illness, unexpected death in the family, divorce, these kind of pivotal moments in folks' lives in which they're kind of entrenched in this thing that happened and can't really pay attention to anything else. So those are the typical stories we hear. And then what happens is once someone has gotten behind filing for 1 year, there's typically this snowball effect where the next year comes around and it's filing season, and kind of the logic often is, well, I didn't file last year's taxes. I got to file last year's taxes before I file this year's taxes. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to, sit down and take care of all this, next Tuesday or next Wednesday and get all my paperwork. And then it doesn't happen, right? And then another year goes by and the snowball gets bigger. Another year goes by, the snowball gets bigger. Good news for you, Debbie. Your snowball has only been running for the past couple years, okay? You haven't even hit the refund statute expiration yet, because if you file a return and you're owed a refund on that return, but you file it more than 3 years after the due date of that return, the IRS isn't sending you that refund. Okay, so you're still within the time limit to get your refunds, and unless there's something else, shady going on here, the IRS isn't going to be showing up at your door with guns and badges and warrants and things like that. Okay, so you are in some trouble. They are going to charge you penalties and interest if you file that return and you do owe the IRS money on that return. So in that sense, yeah, there's a little bit of trouble here, but not, as you say, a lot of trouble, right? Because on the trouble scale, going from 0, no trouble, to 10, a prison sentence with fines, having to pay some penalties and interest is probably a 3 on the trouble scale, right? And sometimes at Choice Tax Relief, we can even get some of those penalties knocked off depending on your situation. But Debbie, what I don't want to happen is for this snowball that's been rolling for 2 years, I don't want this snowball to get bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't want this snowball to run another year and then another year and then another year. And then you're looking at a bigger problem, okay? With more trouble, potentially. So Debbie, get on the right foot, get on the right track. If you know yourself and you know that you're not going to get around to this, or it seems like too daunting a thing, pay a professional. At Choice Tax Relief, we specialize in helping folks who haven't filed taxes in a couple of years. They might not have all their tax documents. We specialize in getting them back on track. You can reach out to us. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can simply go on our website, choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on our homepage, and we will reach out to you. But if you do want to DIY this process, Debbie, I got the video for you. Check out my video on how to file your back taxes. You can see it on your screen right now in the upper left-hand corner. You can also check out my playlist about all my videos about what to do if you have unfiled tax returns. That's in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Debbie, for making this comment, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye-bye.